Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's quickly cover the electronic parking brake, or EPB, in your Volkswagen Golf. The EPB replaces the traditional handbrake lever with a button that uses electric motors to clamp the rear brakes for you. But after changing brake pads or disconnecting the battery, the EPB can lose track of the pad positions. That's why resetting the EPB is important. It recalibrates the system so it knows exactly where the pads are. If you skip the reset, you might see a warning light, or the parking brake may not hold securely. Resetting is quick, easy, and keeps your car safe. Let's get started. Always wear protective gloves and work in a well-lit, distraction-free area. Park your Golf on a flat surface and use wheel chocks to prevent rolling. Turn the ignition to on, but don't start the engine. Keep your foot firmly on the brake pedal during the entire process. You're now ready to reset the EPB. Let's try the manual reset. No tools needed. With ignition on and your foot on the brake, press the EPB button down to disengage the parking brake. You'll hear the motors whir and see the dashboard light go out. Hold the button for a few seconds to ensure it's fully released. Now, pull the EPB button up to engage the brake. Motors whir again, light comes on. Hold for a few seconds. Repeat this disengage-engage cycle 2 or 3 times. This helps the system relearn the brake pad positions. After the final cycle, leave the parking brake engaged and turn off the ignition. That's the manual reset, simple and effective. If the manual reset doesn't work, it's time for an OBD2 scanner. Plug the scanner into the OBD2 port under the steering column. Turn the ignition on, engine off. Use the scanner to access the parking brake control module, often called Module 53s. Look for options like Function Test or Calibration under Basic Settings. Start the calibration. The scanner will cycle the brake motors automatically. Wait for the process to finish. You'll hear the motors and see a finished message. This digital reset is more powerful and can fix stubborn EPB issues. If the warning light is still on, let's troubleshoot. Still seeing the EPB warning light? Don't worry, this is common and often easy to fix. First, check your battery. A weak battery is a top cause of reset failures. If the battery's fine, use an OBD2 scanner to check for fault codes in the parking brake control module. Codes can reveal issues like a faulty switch, caliper motor, or wiring. Also check for seized calipers or rust. If problems persist, consult a mechanic. Good luck!